Hello friends, welcome back again to our tutorial video on spot trading on Bitget. This is one of our video tutorials on crypto for beginners. So I'm now on the Bitget interface. So I'm going to, if you look at the buttons down, we have home, market, trade, futures and assets. So I have a particular coin, BNB. I want to trade BNB USDT so that I can convert it to USDT. So I'm going to go to trade. I just want to teach you trading. You can convert this without going through trading. But let's go to, so already what I'm having here showing here is Pi USDT. That was the last trade I did. So I'm going to click into this drop down menu and now type BNB. Let me choose type on the search bar. Instead of searching for it, let me just put the BNB. Okay, you can see BNB USDT. There's BNB USDC, but USDT I'm going for. So make sure you don't make mistake. So this is BNB USDT. Now, when you are doing spot trading, this is for beginner. This is not advanced training. Now I want to sell. Remember, I want to sell my BNB to USDT. So I'm going to click. It's already on default buy. I'm clicking on sell first. Now, there are two major ways. There are so many ways you can sell. Are you getting it? But for beginners, either you use the market or the limit order or the market order. Market order for now. Limit order is when you want to put it for a particular point, and once you get there, it sell for you or things like that. But here, I just want to use market order. That means whatever be the current market price is what I want. If I want to use limit order, so I'm going to be setting up the price. That's okay. The price is now, let's say, so amount. If it gets to this, sell for me. That means I don't need to be there. Sell for me. That's it. Are you getting it? See, these are, so all of this is you are seeing are different orders. You have advanced limits, you have the trigger, you have the OCO, you have the TPS, you have the trailing stop. These are advanced things we are going to learn in the course of time. But for you as a beginner, concentrate on that limit and market. But for now, I'm using the market order. So let's quickly go. So this is the market order here. So what I'm going to do now, you see where my BNB is showing. Because you need to know this. This column, where I have my BNB. Now, you're having 0%, 29. I have not put anything. So I'm going to quickly click on 100. 100 means I want to sell all. So what I have in BNB is 0.0104 BNB. And the current price is 640. Remember, it's still fluctuating. The tendency is that before you click on buy, sell, it may even go down or go higher. So, but I don't care about that. It's okay. So I want to say, that's why I put 100%. Now, having done that, I studied the entire thing. I'm going to click on sell BNB. The system will still ask me to confirm. So I click this. It says I should confirm. I say yes. Just watch. Successful. Now, you'll see that this one I have earlier on BNB, as it stands now, I don't have money on BNB again. Let me go to my assets. Where I will have money now will be on USDT. I seen it. Before this money was on BNB, but now it has turned to USDT because I've sold it, I've converted it to USDT. That is 6.67 and all that. So that's exactly what I have here now. So this is the simplest way on how to do this. And you know, sometimes if you are a beginner, you are being afraid, oh, okay, is it possible? Can't I lose money? No. Just learn how to do this simple. You have your coin in any other company, you want to convert, because why we always convert to USDT? It's always easy to sell on P2P, USDT. In fact, when you want to sell to outsiders, whoever that want to buy, people always easily buy USDT than any other thing. So if you have these coins, you can easily convert to USDT before you start selling it. And this is exactly how to go about it. If you have a question on every other tutorial concerning Bitget, trading and all that, you can put up a question on the comment box. We'll prepare such videos to guide you as well. If you are new to our channel, we encourage you, subscribe, make sure you share this video, and it makes sense to you, like this video, give it a thumbs up. I wish to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.